I've looked at everything that's on the market in the process of buying the MowerMax. I've even had some come in since I purchased my MowerMax, and I've realized still that the design of the MowerMax, it just can't be beat. I mean, it's simple, but yet it's still very, very functional for the job that we do. It's designed to do the job, and it saves me money all the way around by the way it's designed. My name is Tommy Jones. I'm the road manager here in Lamar County, Mississippi, and I maintain 1,100 miles of road each day. We've got a population of about 70,000 people, 1,100 miles of road within the county, and constantly growing. Heavy on subdivisions at this time, but we've got everything from pretty much metropolitan to rural country with a lot of subdivisions scattered in between. The MowerMax makes a difference all the way around. We use it 4 days a week. We work 4 10-hour days, and we run that thing every day. But something that stood out with me, we've been having a lot of tornadoes here lately, and once we've got tornado damage, I'll even take that MowerMax into those areas where I've got tornado damage, and I can trim back and cut back and get things opened up a lot quicker, even using the MowerMax in that aspect of it. I've had a lot of counties that's came and approached me asking me about my MowerMax and my use of the MowerMax and the reliability of it. And as a result, what I do is I always invite them to come to town and see my MowerMax. We'll set up in the multi-purpose area, and I'll put their operators on it, I'll put their supervisors on it, I'll put whoever wants to get on it just so they can see the value that's located within that machine. As a result of those demos that we've been doing, there are several counties around us that have actually went ahead and purchased those machines because they've got hands-on experience just from what we've done here in Lamar County. Our board is actually talking about possibly even buying some to put just bush hogs on, and side cutters and belly mowers. I mean, they come with so many different attachments, and there's so much you can do with that one machine that it can save you money all the way around. Whenever I look at it, whether it's the blowers that go on the front, the blades that you can put on there, the saw blades that you can put on there, every attachment you've got would be very beneficial to us as a county.
I'm Billy Jones. I'm an operator, run the MowerMax for North Barn County Road Department. I've been running it about 3 years now. It's great. It come out. We've been running tractors and bush hogs for years, but now they've come out with this thing, and it's a lot better. I mean, it's 100% different. It is very, very friendly, very easy to operate. Like I say, you got a good view of everything you're working with. And like I say, I've been running it 3 years. They hired me and put me on it. I've been running it ever since. I mean, it's just a great piece of machine and easy to operate, yes, very easy.
It can't be beat. I mean, from the initial call to where I'm telling them, where I'm speaking to them and telling them I'm looking at it, to the demo, to the purchase, to the everyday running of it, to the repairs that come up. I mean, they're right there every time the phone rings with an answer that I stand in need of. And I mean, I just can't explain enough how well it is to work with them.